Good morning, YouTube. Back with another banger video. Today I have an appointment lined up. Gotta go get this 50 F-150. But yeah, he said he would, he did not want to test drive a Ram, but I was like, please at least test drive this one. I think you're gonna like it. Fell in love with it. Then the vehicle sold, so now we're stuck on the Ford. It didn't even unlock, bro. Come on. Let's try this one more time. Demo. Check out. Come on. There we go. Let's see, there it is. This truck is very clean. 9 service histories. 1 recall. Was a corporate vehicle, and it's only 1 owner. So this truck's in really great condition. This is the truck here. Let's go ahead and get it put underneath the service drive for him. Immaculate. 67,000 miles. And listen to this bad boy start up. Because it's the 50. You want to be in a YouTube video? Alright, Angelo.
You know, that's my man Tony. Let's come here. Best cars in the nation right here. So, you know.
I just trying to smoke my dog, watch anime, yeah. Pull up in that candy paint, I'm switching lanes, yeah. Yellow gold all on my chain, look like lemonade, yeah. Pull up with some anti-girls, the Raising Canes, ooh. All I rock is sweet calls and bathing apes, yeah. I been smoking purple dog, sipping Gatorade, yeah. They gon' talk behind your back, not to your face.
Gassing up Lewis's truck. You mess with this?
Bro, which car is this?
Damn, this a fucking 7-seater?
Bad news.
Let's hear it. There's no gas.
Worse. Worse. Somebody left the gas keys in the customer's car.
Oh my, what the fuck?
Guess what, brother? And it's the 50. You gonna be in the vlog, Marco? What you showing right now?
Cadillac Lyric. All electric. That Lyric.
Alright, I'm still with my other customers, but I'm gonna put a bow on because it's sold. And I can hand him the keys, and yeah, he's on his way. Alright, so I'm on my 3rd customer today. They want to see, might have a 2-car deal. They want to see a Kia K5 GT line, and it has red leather interior. It's so nice. It's going to be a 2022 Kia K5. Here she is. Let's do a quick little cinematic for it.
I'm the type to go and bring on me, take on me, cash. I've been certified my whole life, come check my registration. Yeah.
Initial impression of this car, love the interior, red leather, beautiful. I'm a sucker for red leather interior. Also, love that it has a freaking moonroof. And the sedan is crazy. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm with my customers right now. I'm with Tara. Tara's driving. We're driving the K5 with Amanda and Chanel in the back. And Mom. What do you think about this car?
Man, this car is great, bro. This car is great. It got a nice sport mode. You know, I mean the Kia K5, you know. But we can't let the Kia boys take it. So we can't let the Kia boys take it, bro. Nah, this car is nice though.
What's your favorite part about this car?
Definitely sport mode.
The sport mode.
Definitely.
What about y'all?
The inside.
The inside is nice.
Oh, you know that girl, they like this so
You want to say hi?
Good job.
What was that?
Check out Tony.
Shout out to Tony, the best sales guys at H. Craig.
Thank you guys. Thank you. But last question. What do you guys rate this car 1 out of 10?
10.
10.
Hey, shout out to Tony, bro.
Alright, the family wanted to be on camera, so that was pretty cool. Selling my boost controller. Sold my boost controller to this guy. Pretty cool car. You're next up on the list. And customer's about to walk in at 6:40 and you gotta leave at 7. How you feeling right now?
I'm out. Nah, you know, that's what I do over here. We get it done. Come in at 6:59 for all I care. Get you in a car. See me, H. Greg Brandon, Tampa. All your car needs.
What is your name? How they know who to come to?
Mr. Spectacular. Tony.
This is Lorena. If you need insurance, come
It's
to
all
Lorena.
insurance.
Yeah.
All insurance. Like
Motorcycle, health, everything.
pet,
Pet
house,
insurance. Well.
health. I sell them all insurance. Here in Brandon.
Old chat. Walmart didn't have what I needed. I drove 30 minutes away, but I came to Publix to get some flowers for Chris. And Jared is outside today. I'm gonna do a quick speed roll of that.
What? You gonna hop on my car? Billy Cool riding with stars. What? I keep it walk like a car. Hey, yo. She get the top in the draw. Yo. Hey. Diamonds, they